What is the process for activating a U-Mobile prepaid SIM card?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on activating your U-Mobile prepaid SIM card. We understand how daunting this process might seem, especially if it's your first time. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process to ensure you get connected quickly and easily. Remember, the process for activation is crucial. If you don't follow the instructions, you may face issues with the activation.
What do you need for activation?
Before we begin, let's gather what you'll need. 1. Your new U-Mobile prepaid SIM card. 2. A phone to insert the SIM card into. 3. Personal identification document, like your passport or ID. For registration, ensure you have these at hand for a smooth activation process.
How to insert the SIM card?
The first step is inserting the SIM card into your phone. Depending on your phone model, the SIM card slot could be on the side or the back of your phone. Use the SIM eject tool provided with your phone to access the slot and place your SIM card inside. Make sure the SIM card is properly positioned and fits into the slot securely. Then replace the SIM card tray back into the phone.
How to activate the SIM card?
Once you've inserted the SIM card, turn on your phone. You should see a message saying, "Activate your SIM." 1. Dial 118 to start the activation process. 2. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal identification number, PIN. This is usually the last 4 digits of your SIM card number. 3. You may be asked for some additional information to verify your identity, such as your full name or date of birth. Make sure you provide the information as per your ID. 4. Once you've done this, your SIM card should be activated. Remember, you must complete this process within the time frame indicated by U-Mobile. If you're unable to do so, your SIM card may become inactive.
How to check if the SIM card is activated?
To confirm the activation, try making a call or sending a text. If you can do this successfully, your SIM card is activated. Alternatively, you can check the network signal bars on your phone. If there are signal bars, and you can see U-Mobile's name next to them, it's a good sign that your SIM card is activated. That's it. You've successfully activated your U-Mobile prepaid SIM card. We hope you found this guide helpful. With U-Mobile, staying connected has never been easier. Enjoy your new connection, and remember, if you face any issues, U-Mobile's customer service is there to help you. Thank you for choosing U-Mobile and happy connecting. Note: always keep in mind that steps can vary slightly depending on the region and the current policy of the provider. It's always good to check the latest information from the provider's official resources.